Hey guys, it's Rob from Next Gen Rider here. I know it's been a minute since I did a video, and I apologize for that. I've been traveling in the US for about the past 6 weeks. I left right after Christmas, and I just got back a couple of days ago. It's like 6:30 in the morning, dealing with the jet lag, so why not do a video? The first project I'm going to talk about, this is going to be kind of an intro video for a series that I'm going to do on installing the HugeRock X70 Tablet on the BMW GS. So some of you guys may know I ride a 2013 F800GS. It's a little long in the tooth. It's an older bike, but it works for me here in the Philippines. I'm not gonna upgrade until I have to. So I want to get some good kit on there to run DMD2 and give me full tablet capability on the bike in a robust design. I've tried some of these full Android devices from China, and quite frankly, they're all garbage. This device is solid. I'll open it up and pull it out real quick just to give you a little teaser. It's a 7-inch IP68 tablet. It's a chunk, man. It's a little bit heavy, but it's solid. I guess that's the point. We'll dive into another video, but I want to kind of explain where I'm going with this. I also purchased the bracket system from HugeRock, and it's a very nice anodized aluminum kit with 3 pieces that integrate to nicely mount the X70 onto a motorcycle. So we'll do a couple of videos on that. But the first thing I wanted to talk about is the bracket upgrade for my GS, because I need to get down to the machine shop and get this thing upgraded. I bought this from a company called Motoboxer. Pretty much got the bracket and this sticker. And they're based in France. And really I ordered from them because they were most convenient, most legit, with good shipping. So this is a bracket that's going to fairing mount or fix mount the device on the GS, and I'll give you a look at that. There's a guy in Turkey that makes a similar product. He only markets on Facebook, and I chatted with him. Very well reviewed, but I was a little concerned with the shipping time and my schedule and logistics in the US, so these guys dropped it in DHL, but I may have made a mistake. I know, and part of the issue why I'm doing this video right away is because I'm going to take this to the machine shop. It comes with a 12mm bar, and that's just, it's not going to work. It's not enough for this HugeRock, and I've dealt with these bars in the past on the M2 Pro and used big fat spacers for mounting gadgets, even smaller gadgets like the M2 Pro. It's not great. So I may have some problems with this bracket. I'm not sure. But I'm going to try to head some problems off by immediately upgrading this crossbar for the navigation mount to a 22mm bar and then get it on the bike. So look forward to those videos. I'm going to do one on the HugeRock X70 tablet, on the mounting bracket for it. I've got a lot of gear that's come in while I've been gone. I have an Aochi writing system. I got a couple of Sunway cheap Chinese writing systems. I got a Recoil C2 Super system that's detachable. A lot of gear. I got lucky in the US. I went and played some cards. I played some poker, and man, I rocked them, bro. So I got a little bit of cash, and I thought, why not drop it on some cool motorcycle stuff and bring it back to the Philippines. So I got a new Sedici helmet I'm going to show you guys, and we'll talk about it. I got some Forma boots. They've been around a long time, great boot, but I've never owned a pair, so we're going to find out if that's indeed true. Got a little HUD heads-up display gadget that I'm going to experiment and play with on the bike. Just some wiring kits, just a lot of stuff. I got so much stuff. I got the M2 Max sample from Alien Rider. We're going to take a look at that. What else? I got some earplugs, just a lot of different. I upgraded some gloves. I'm going to show you those. I had a hard. All the gloves are armored on the knuckles, and I can't stand it. It was so hard for me to find a summer or a lightweight glove to use here in the Philippines without armor on the knuckles. But I found a pair of some LS2s. We'll take a look at those. So I got a ton of stuff to do videos on if you care to hear my opinion on this gear, and we're going to dive into it. But I wanted to show you this bracket first because we're going to run off to the machine shop this morning and see if we can't get a 22mm bar made for this so we can get this on the bike and mount the X70 tablet, because I want to do the Philippine loop soon. Weather's about to turn pretty nice. It's going to be time to ride, and that is going to be my focus, getting the GS ride ready for a long trip, do the loop, and to show you guys this gear and tell you what I think about it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your patience for, while I was kind of out of the loop for a little while. But we're going to get rocking and look at some stuff and get some videos out there. And hopefully this stuff will help you out. So thanks for watching.